I went from 30,000 followers to 350,000 followers in 1 year, and that's because I know exactly how the Instagram algorithm works, and I'm going to share it with you all in this video. The first thing that the Instagram algorithm takes into the account is the visuals of the post. The Instagram algorithm analyzes whole frames and pixels of all photos, videos, and reels on Instagram. That's why when you've ever been in a situation when a random guy asks for your Instagram and you go in and type in your username, you notice a certain type of female on his feed, or maybe you see a bunch of females on his explore page, or even worse, it's a boyfriend's Instagram, which is a red flag, sis. You should probably dump his ass. What? Oh, this isn't about relationship? Only Instagram tips? Got it, okay. Just trying to give relationship advice and Instagram tips out here. You can thank me later. Back to what I was saying, Instagram analyzes the shapes, colors, or any visuals in the post that you just recently viewed, and it will show you more of that post that is similar to the one that you just viewed. So if you notice, when you watch one dog video, you end up being suggested so many other dog videos on your explore page. That's because the Instagram algorithm thinks that when you watch one dog video, you want to have more dog videos on your feed. So the point that I'm trying to get at is, when you're putting out content, you always want to make sure that each post is relevant to your niche. Because if one day you post a photo of your dog when you're in the fashion niche, for example, you're going to attract the audience that loves dogs. So the next time that you post a fashion photo which is relevant to your niche, you might get lower engagement because you've attracted this audience that was wanting more dog content from you. The next thing that the Instagram algorithm looks at is the completion rate. This is for reels and videos specifically. If people watch your video completely, or better yet, they rewatch your video, the Instagram algorithm is going to push out your post to even more people. This will tell the algorithm that, hey, this is a good video and more people need to see this. The next thing that the Instagram algorithm looks at is the history of interaction. If you ever notice, when you start direct messaging someone on Instagram, their posts will start to appear on your feed more. Or if you search for someone on Instagram, if you're following them, they're going to appear on your feed more, and if you're not following them, they're going to appear on your explore page. The takeaway is that you want to give people a reason to direct message you, because if they're following you, you're going to appear on the feed a lot more. Sometimes not everyone will see both your stories and your captions, so the best way to get more people direct messaging you is to clearly state in your stories and your captions, hey, DM me if you have any more questions. Also, if your stories are high quality and entertaining, people are going to react to your stories, or they might just simply direct message you as well. The next thing that the Instagram algorithm looks at is engagement. The Instagram algorithm also takes into consideration the number of likes, comments, shares, and saves you get on a post. With regular feed posts, the number of likes and comments that you get within the first hour or so really matters. For Instagram Reels, on the other hand, the initial engagement matters as well, but not as much. There is such thing as a delayed explosion, meaning that your post can gain traction even after days of you posting. This post over here, initially it didn't actually do well, but it's been 2 weeks since I posted and it's actually gaining a lot more traction now, and I've been getting a lot of comments and engagement on that post, and I'm pretty sure it's going to hit 1 million views. Now I'm going to talk about some things that you should avoid posting on Instagram that the Instagram algorithm takes a look at. You should avoid posting low resolution or watermarked videos. This means that if you're reposting your TikToks onto your Instagram Reels, you should be either screen recording your TikTok videos before you post onto TikTok so that you can repurpose it onto Instagram Reels without the TikTok watermark, or you can use an outside app to remove the TikTok watermark. And if you're one of those people who are saying that, well, your posts are still performing just as well even with the watermarks, well, the statement was released by Instagram themselves, so you're actually hurting your reach and your post could have performed a lot better without the watermarks. Another thing that you want to avoid are posts that focuses on political issues. This also includes posts made by political figures or government officials, or posts made on their behalf. The Instagram algorithm will limit the reach on these types of posts. This statement came right from Instagram themselves, so don't shoot the messenger. If you want more free Instagram growth tips, you can click the link in the description to download the free PDF. You can also leave a question in the comments and I'll get back to you. And also feel free to follow me on Instagram where I post more Instagram tips.